out there in the lawn. We're gonna fly my helicopter that's right there and enjoy the show of me ending up probably breaking my helicopter. Hopefully not. I really don't want to break my helicopter. I got this for Christmas and haven't been it. This is my first time ever flying it. I'm not good. Alright, let's start. I'd end up breaking it.
Do you want me to press it?
No.
Oh, not yet. The video.
We're still recording. Alright.
It got really tiny when it was up there.
This time, I won't break my helicopter.
I think you broke it. Lee, it says it's already 2 hours long.
No, it isn't. It's 2 minutes long.
Oh, that's milliseconds, seconds, and minutes. Oh.
Do not try this at home. Ow. Don't do that. Ow. That hurt.
Ow. I told him not to do it actually only in their ceiling fan.
Okay, life tip. Never put your finger in any spinning surface unless it's your ceiling fan. No, don't listen to me. That is not a life tip. No, just no!
Okay, thanks for that.
And we're off! Once more! Hopefully not breaking my helicopter again.
We're going up. Oh, down.
Well,
Looks like it just ran out of batteries. Oh, nope. I'm coming up here.
don't throw your helicopters. Oh, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video and my channel to all your friends. Let's continue with the video.
When it's done, are you going to tell them what the name is? For what? The video. Your channel. Look, a cardinal!
She's stupid. Disclaimer, my sister's retarded.
I'm watching you. Hey, where'd it go?